feels way bigger.
You can actually fit
actually
through the hallway
space.
because you've got a slimmer profile with this cabinet.
Check this out.
They have doors.
Oh. We just labeled the heck.
You get a box! You get a box!
We added upper and lower storage around the fireplace, and there's still room.
This feels like I can breathe.
We kept your dining room table, but by clearing out all of the other stuff, it certainly flows better.
Oh, I love that.
Organization, this is everything in life.
Y'all were busting at the seams in this kitchen. Everything has now
I
a
love this. This is
label.
I love that.
Okay.
Oh, and everything has a home.
Oh, this is really
Right?
nice.
That's art.
Whoa, oh my god, I love this desk. Oh my god, it's so organized.
What do you think, buddy?
I like it. Oh, I love this.
In a shared space, I really think you need to be set up for success, which means tons of storage and then using every available space.
It's like a proper home office.
And finally, we freshened up this bedroom.
That is nice, isn't it?
Wow.
You really, really nailed it. And you managed to nail it for all of us.
It's home.